Did you know there's a building in Zimbabwe that cools itself like a termite mound? Or a waste-to-energy plant in Copenhagen that doubles as a ski slope? These are just 2 of the 7 astonishing green building projects we're about to explore. Ready to see how different cultures from Mexico City to Melbourne are tackling sustainability and architecture? Let's dive in. What happens when a city decides to transform one of its least appealing necessities into a beacon of innovation? Copenhill is a highly efficient waste-to-energy plant. It processes up to 440,000 tons of waste annually, generating enough clean energy to power 30,000 households and heat 72,000 homes. But here's the thing, Copenhill is more than just a power plant. It's a pioneer of progress, with a 400-meter ski slope, hiking trails, and one of the world's tallest artificial climbing walls. The facility has become a must-visit destination for outdoor enthusiasts. As you approach Copenhill, the sleek, sloping roofline emerges from the urban landscape, inviting you to a surreal experience, a place where industry and leisure meet under the blue Denmark sky. Copenhill doesn't just process waste. It turns it into a valuable resource while providing a unique public space for city residents. This multifunctional design serves a dual purpose. It provides recreational opportunities, but it also plays a crucial role in environmental education. Visitors can witness firsthand how their waste is transformed into energy, fostering a greater understanding of sustainable resource management. The facility's transparent design allows the public to see the inner workings of the plant, demystifying the waste management process. Compared to traditional waste management facilities, often hidden from public view, Copenhill stands as a proud symbol of Copenhagen's commitment to sustainability. It challenges the notion that industrial facilities must be eyesores or isolated from urban life. But Copenhill is just the beginning. Next, we're heading to Mexico City to explore a skyscraper that's turning the concept of concrete on its head. How can a material traditionally associated with high carbon emissions become a champion of eco-friendly design? Enter Torre Reforma, a 246-meter skyscraper that's rewriting the rules of green building. Designed by architect Benjamin Romano, Torre Reforma achieved LEED Platinum certification in 2016, marking it as one of the world's greenest buildings. This prestigious recognition is awarded for highly efficient resource management. But what makes this concrete giant so special? The answer lies in its radical use of concrete walls. These aren't your typical slabs. They're engineered to significantly reduce heat entering the building. This passive cooling strategy is just the beginning of Torre Reforma's sustainability features. Step inside and you'll be bathed in natural light. An astounding 94% of the building's areas receive daylight, enhancing energy efficiency and occupant comfort. This abundance of natural illumination allows workers to enjoy sunlit spaces that not only boost productivity, but also bring a sense of well-being, proving that sustainability can enhance our everyday lives. Water management is another area where Torre Reforma excels. The building boasts a 100% wastewater reuse system, treating water to tertiary standards for internal use. In a bustling metropolis like Mexico City, this closed-loop approach to water management is a significant achievement in urban sustainability. But the real proof of Torre Reforma's effectiveness lies in its performance. Compared to conventional skyscrapers, this concrete marvel reduces energy consumption by a whopping 20%. That's a substantial saving, especially when you consider the scale of the building. Location plays a crucial role in sustainable urban development, and Torre Reforma doesn't disappoint. The skyscraper is strategically positioned within walking distance of metro lines and essential services, promoting sustainable urban mobility and reducing the carbon footprint of its occupants. Innovative urban projects aren't limited to sprawling facilities. In Melbourne, a compact office building has achieved what many larger structures haven't: true carbon neutrality. The Pixel building, designed by Studio 505, stands as Australia's first carbon-neutral office building. setting a new standard for sustainable architecture in the country. At just 4 stories tall, the Pixel building might seem modest at first glance. However, its modest size belies its groundbreaking features. This 1,000 square meter structure incorporates a range of advanced sustainable technologies that work together to minimize its environmental impact. One of the most striking features of the Pixel building is its vibrant facade. Far from being merely decorative, these colorful panels serve a crucial function. They're made of recycled materials and designed to provide shade and maximize natural light, reducing the need for artificial lighting and air conditioning. This forward-thinking approach to facade design demonstrates how aesthetics and sustainability can go hand in hand. The building's roof is another marvel of sustainable design. It boasts a combination of solar panels and wind turbines, generating renewable energy on-site. Rainwater harvesting systems collect and filter water for reuse, while vacuum toilet systems significantly reduce water consumption. These integrated systems work together to minimize the building's reliance on external resources. The Pixel building didn't just earn a Green Star rating, it achieved a perfect score, 6 stars from the Green Building Council of Australia, the highest possible rating. This certification recognizes the building's exceptional environmental performance across categories, including energy efficiency, water conservation, and indoor environmental quality. What sets the Pixel building apart is its holistic approach to sustainability. Rather than relying on a single green technology, it combines multiple strategies to achieve carbon neutrality. This comprehensive approach could serve as a model for future developments, showing how even small-scale projects can make a significant environmental impact. In Santiago, a groundbreaking structure is challenging our perception of energy consumption in modern buildings. What if a single design could cut a building's energy needs by more than 2/3? The Transoceanica building in Chile's capital is doing just that, and its methods might surprise you. Located in the bustling Las Condes district, the Transoceanica building stands as a testament to cutting-edge green architecture. This 25-story tower, designed by Plus Arquitectos, achieved LEED Gold certification in 2012, marking it as one of Latin America's most sustainable buildings. But what sets it apart is its remarkable energy efficiency, reducing costs by an impressive 70% compared to conventional structures. The secret lies in its smart design that maximizes natural resources while minimizing environmental impact. The building's facade features a double skin system with automated blinds that adapt to Santiago's climate. This intelligent envelope regulates internal temperature, reducing the need for artificial heating and cooling. Natural light plays a crucial role in the Transoceanica building's energy-saving strategy. The design incorporates floor-to-ceiling windows and an atrium that floods the interior with daylight, significantly reducing the need for artificial lighting. This not only cuts energy consumption, but also creates a more pleasant work environment for occupants. Water conservation is another key feature of this sustainable marvel. The building employs a greywater recycling system that treats and reuses wastewater for irrigation and toilet flushing. In a region where water scarcity is an increasing concern, this approach sets a valuable example for future developments. The Transoceanica building's energy efficiency extends to its heating and cooling systems. It utilizes a geothermal heat pump system, tapping into the Earth's constant temperature to regulate the building's climate. This technology, while not new, is rarely implemented on such a large scale in South America. What's particularly impressive about the Transoceanica building is how it adapts to Santiago's unique urban context. The city's Mediterranean climate, with hot summers and mild winters, presents specific challenges for building design. By incorporating passive design strategies and cutting-edge technology, the building showcases how modern architecture can work in harmony with local environmental conditions. As we've seen, working with local environmental conditions can lead to impressive results. But what if architects could go beyond adapting to nature and actually mimic it? In Harare, Zimbabwe, one building is doing just that. using an unlikely muse to revolutionize cooling in the African heat. The Eastgate Centre, designed by Mick Pearce and Arup Associates, draws inspiration from an unexpected source: the self-cooling mounds of African termites. This avant-garde approach to biomimicry has resulted in a building that maintains a comfortable internal temperature year-round, without the need for conventional air conditioning. At the heart of the Eastgate Centre's design is a passive cooling system that mirrors the intricate ventilation networks found in termite mounds. The building's structure incorporates materials with high thermal capacity, storing heat during the day and releasing it at night, natural temperature regulation at its best, and it gets even better with integrated fan systems operating on a scheduled cycle, perfectly aligned with Harare's climate patterns. What makes the Eastgate Centre particularly remarkable is how it blends cutting-edge sustainable design with traditional Zimbabwean building practices. The use of local materials and passive cooling techniques not only reflects cultural considerations, but also demonstrates the potential for combining indigenous knowledge with modern architectural innovation. The impact of this biomimetic approach is substantial. Compared to conventional buildings in similar climates, the Eastgate Centre significantly reduces energy consumption. This achievement is even more impressive when considering the challenging environmental conditions of Harare, where maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature typically requires extensive energy use. In Shanghai, a colossal structure stands as a testament to green innovation in vertical urban living. What if a single building could redefine a city's skyline while simultaneously pushing the boundaries of energy efficiency? Enter the Shanghai Tower, the world's third tallest building and a marvel of sustainable design. Rising 632 meters into the sky, the Shanghai Tower is more than just an architectural feat. It's a groundbreaking example of eco-friendly skyscraper design. At the heart of its sustainability credentials is a unique double-skin facade that twists as it ascends, reducing wind loads by 24%. And saving $58 million in structural costs. This innovative design isn't just about aesthetics, it's a key factor in the tower's impressive energy efficiency. The double-skin facade creates a thermal buffer zone, significantly reducing the need for heating and cooling. Combined with other green technologies, this design allows the Shanghai Tower to use 21% less energy than a conventional building of its size. The result? An annual energy cost saving of $556,000, a figure that demonstrates the huge potential for sustainable design in large-scale urban projects. But the Shanghai Tower's green credentials don't stop at energy efficiency. The building incorporates 270 wind turbines at its top, generating 350,000 kilowatt-hours of electricity annually. Rainwater collection and recycling systems further reduce the tower's environmental impact, providing water for air conditioning and heating systems. Perhaps most exciting is the potential influence of the Shanghai Tower on future skyscraper designs globally. Its success demonstrates that even at the largest scales, buildings can be both visually striking and environmentally responsible. As cities worldwide continue to grow vertically, the lessons learned from this project could shape the next generation of sustainable urban development. While Shanghai reaches for the sky, another trailblazing structure takes a different approach to sustainable urban living. What if a residential tower could adapt to its environment like a living organism, breathing and changing with the seasons? In Hamburg, Germany, the Marco Polo Tower stands as a testament to this evolution in urban architecture. Rising 55 meters above the Elbe River, the Marco Polo Tower is a striking example of how residential buildings can harmonize with their environment. Designed by Danish Architekten, this 17-story structure has redefined sustainable living in Northern Europe. At the heart of the Marco Polo Tower's innovative design is its natural cooling system. Unlike traditional buildings that rely heavily on air conditioning, this tower breathes through a network of openings in its facade. These openings allow fresh air to circulate throughout the building, creating a natural ventilation system that adapts to Hamburg's temperate climate. This breathing facade isn't just about comfort, it's a significant step towards energy efficiency. By reducing the need for artificial cooling, the Marco Polo Tower slashes energy consumption. Operational costs, those plummet too. It's a prime example of German engineering efficiency applied to environmental consciousness. The tower's unique shape plays a crucial role in its sustainability features. Each floor is slightly rotated from the one below, creating a twisting silhouette that's visually striking and functionally brilliant. The design allows for private terraces on every floor. Residents enjoy outdoor spaces, perfectly sheltered from wind and sun. Compared to other European residential projects, the Marco Polo Tower stands out for its holistic approach to sustainable living. While many buildings focus on individual green technologies, this tower integrates sustainability into every aspect of its design, from its structure to its systems. As we've seen, green architecture takes many forms across the globe, from termite-inspired cooling systems to waste-to-energy plants doubling as ski slopes. These projects demonstrate that sustainable design isn't one-size-fits-all, but rather a creative response to local challenges and cultures. The future of green architecture lies in its ability to innovate and adapt. As one expert noted, modern problems require modern solutions. This rings true as architects blend traditional practices with cutting-edge technology to address climate change and urbanization. These buildings do more than minimize environmental impact. They reshape our relationship with urban spaces. They show us that sustainability can enhance, rather than compromise, the beauty and functionality of our cities. As we face growing ecological challenges, green architecture offers a clear path forward. It's a reminder that with creativity and commitment, we can build a more sustainable future, one inventive structure at a time.